Welcome to this video on LED ghosting. Well, explore why your lights might still glow faintly, even after you've switched them off. This phenomenon, where switched-off lights emit a residual faint glow, is commonly referred to as LED ghosting. It's a modern mystery. The switch is off, the room is dark, yet the light still glows. We're going to investigate why this happens. Let's examine the conditions that lead to this unusual glow, beginning with the unique characteristics of modern LED lights. LEDs operate at high efficiency and require very little power, often just milliwatts, to produce visible light. Old bulbs needed high watts and massive heat. This high sensitivity means even a tiny trickle of electrical current or stored energy can cause a faint illumination in an LED. LED ghosting originates from two distinct paths: external electricity, such as electrical leaks, and internal physics, which is physical energy stored inside the bulb. We will first investigate the external electrical sources before moving on to internal energy storage. Our first electrical suspect is switch leakage. Smart switches and indicators require constant standby power, which passes a tiny current through the LED, causing the glow. Timers, sensors, and indicators within the switch use this tiny current, which is enough for the highly sensitive LED to glow faintly. The second suspect is capacitive coupling. When live and switched wires run parallel inside walls, electromagnetic fields transfer energy, creating a phantom voltage that the LED detects. This phantom voltage, transferred through the walls, provides the minimal energy required to cause the faint glow in the highly efficient LED. Electrical suspect number 3 is neutral switching, which is incorrect wiring. When the switch is wired to the neutral wire by mistake, the live wire continuously supplies power. With continuous live power, electricity finds an alternate path to the ground, which is enough to keep the LED fixture faintly illuminated. The final electrical suspect is incompatible dimmers. Old dimmers require a minimum power load and use leading-edge technology that can leak low voltage to modern LEDs, even when off. Now, let's explore the physical suspects. Our first physical suspect is stored energy within the LED driver. LED drivers act as internal computers. These drivers contain capacitors to manage electricity. The capacitors store energy and then discharge it slowly. Even after the power is off, this slowly discharging stored energy is sufficient to cause a brief, visible glow in the highly sensitive LED. Physical suspect number 2 is phosphor afterglow. White LEDs utilize blue light emitters. A yellow phosphor coating covers the blue light emitter. This phosphor coating physically holds light energy and glows briefly after the electrical current stops. This brief afterglow, due to the slow release of energy by the phosphor, is the faint illumination we observe in the ghosting effect. So how do we solve LED ghosting? First, ensure compatible components are used. Replace older dimmers with modern, trailing-edge LED dimmers. These newer dimmers are specifically designed for the low power needs of LEDs and prevent residual current from leaking to the bulb. Next, address the wiring. If neutral switching is the issue, correct the wiring so the switch interrupts the live wire. Consult an electrician if needed. Also, install a snubbing capacitor. This component is added to the circuit and absorbs the small parasitic voltages and energy leaks, preventing the LED from glowing. Finally, replace faulty or aging components. Upgrade old LED bulbs or drivers, as wear and tear can increase the likelihood of energy leakage or retention. In summary, LED ghosting is the faint illumination of an LED after it's switched off, caused by slight current leaks, stored energy, or phosphor afterglow. Resolving the issue involves using compatible components, fixing wiring errors, and potentially installing snubbing capacitors to manage residual voltage.